editing inspections for Mobile Manager will be done in Report Pro. So open up Report Pro on any computer and go to the bottom and you'll see the Inspections tab. Click on that and then double click on the inspection you wish to edit. Double clicking on any tech note or recommendation opens the editing window and you have access to all the notes that you've pre-built. And if none of those fit your need, you can actually freehand at this point in time and type in whatever you wish. Be sure to hit save if you want to keep those changes. Recommendations are the same. Double click on it. Again, you have all your canned notes available to you. And if you wish, choose one or again, tap and save everything that's in there. Opening up images and taking a look what the technician did, that's pretty important, and that's by left clicking on an image. If you wish to edit that image, right click and go to the edit screen. Here, you're going to be able to add circles, squares, or whatever you wish to make sure that you draw the customer's eyes exactly to what you need them to see. And this is important because they may not fully understand it. So continue and go through the rest of the inspection, and here we're going to go to the next line, the checking the tires out. And again, we have the canned notes that are all available, and if you want to erase things, it's good too. And be sure you type in whatever messages that need to be added. Going through here and doing the same with recommendations. You can keep the text and type in whatever you wish, or you can also reset the date that recommendation is due right in the screen here if you don't agree with what the technician has chosen. Okay, the next thing that we're going to be looking at is the pictures. Again, left click to open a picture, and you can see what the tech put on there, and maybe you want to make it look a little more professional. So we're going to right click and open the edit window. And when we go in here, we're going to choose the color that we wish, and any of these colors can be chosen. And then we're going to click on text, and we're going to type in what we want to put in that picture. And in this case, we're going to put 5/32 of an inch in there, and we're going to click, drag, and draw until we get that to look just like we wish. And you can always go back and move it again by using the Move tool. Save will keep that number on that picture for you. And doing the same thing on the next picture, we can go in and we can add that text again. And here's one of the things to be aware of is that you have the ability to go back and fix things. So if you put this 5/32 in here and you've realized that that's not right, you can hit the undo button and go back up and rewrite the texting that you want and then put that in and everything's fixed. Additionally, you have arrows and circles and squares that can be used to point out to a customer different things that you need them to see. So here, let's pretend that we see a now on the tire. So we see the word, put the word now, and then what we're going to do next is we're going to go in there and we're going to put an arrow. And notice at the upper right hand side that everything we put in this picture, if you click on it, you can edit that item again and remove it. So the best method to send in inspections via text, though, you can do email, put it as a work order note, and even print it on paper with or without images. But as I said, texting is the best way to go. It's automatically going to identify this customer. It's going to build that pre-built message for you, and you hit send, and that inspection's on its way. And remember, you can always change the swatch colors by selecting a new one.